welcome to me with Shamsari. Today I came to the Dollar Tree to buy some of my organizing stuff. And I will share with you today what is new in the Dollar Tree and as well as what I'm going to buy for my organizing stuff. So let's go. So I found this thing. This is the stack them up and impalas. This is I think the different language. This is for the toys, kitchen, office. So I want to take it for keeping my produce here. So I need tools. So I'm taking one flat.
Can you answer one?
Right. So these two stacks I will take for my produce. So the second item I am taking here the can organizer. And it will be fit for I think 8 cans, so I'm taking 2 of it for my drinks. Yeah. And I take this fridge storage bin with lid. This is especially for any kinds of produce or the fruits, so I'm going 3 of it. By this time I purchased some more items. I really need these turnable things for the storage, especially for the spices, sauces, and I have some other plans in my mind. So I take 3 of it. It's really needed for my storage. And with that, I took these things. I took like 1 and 2 of like this. This will be used for medicine keeper, and I also take from here a candy jar like this. I need a candy jar very much. And I found a new thing here, very small, the glass bowl. I can use it for the snacks, definitely, the nuts or the small, any kinds of small snacks. And I take this. This is the food storage container though, but my daughter need it for her, school snacks. I got a very new thing here, that is floating shelf. On this floating shelf, you can hang it on the wall like this, and you can keep 2 small pieces of the plant, and it's really very pretty, isn't it? And second, I'm going to take these things for my furry babies. I want to put their photos here along with their footprint, and it will be very gorgeous. So I'm planning to take these 2 also. After completing my shopping in Dollar Tree, I get back home, and now the first thing what I will do, I will declutter my pantry, and afterwards I will organize it with the stuffs I bought from Dollar Tree. So let's go with me. It is my pantry. So I open the pantry, and you see that still this is a very, it's not very properly organized. Before that I have to declutter everything, and I have to clean all the darts and the debris here. And before that I want to show you something. So this is the end cap of my pantry, and I have to organize this one, and I will definitely work on these are my baking stuffs, so these are really messy. That's why first of all what I will do, I will declutter everything, and afterwards I will show you how I am gonna organizing with the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So by this time I already completed the organizing of my pantry, and I want to start from the bottom to top. So at the bottom I kept like the miscellaneous here. This is the miscellaneous number 2, and this is my rice and oil corner, and I put flour, sugar, all together, paper towel here in a very nice white plastic box. Then this is the miscellaneous number 1, and I kept all the condiments here so that I can see, and what I need I can grab it very quickly. And in this cane box I put the lentil and the related items, and I created 2 new baking zone. This is the baking item 2 and this is the baking item 3. Now I'm going to up this box, this cane box I used to for the seasoning and the related things, and this is for the nuts and related. And finally I'm going to the top. The top I put the baking and others, then the regular spices. And as I work with the different kinds of food, so I need the deshi spices. So these are the 2 boxes. I put the deshi spices 1 and 2, and this is another box I put here. This is also the baking stuff. And in the end cap I just placed some couple of things for my easy craving. That is the one-time oats, some the other snacks items, and these are the popcorn holders. So in nut and shell, see, very quickly I organized from top to bottom the whole the pantry, and I'm really very much happy that it does not take me so long and it is quite organized. So for today, this is the pantry organizing part 1, and definitely will back to you with other new organizing stuffs, which will include my closet and my bathroom and some changes in my living room. So till then, stay with me with Shamsareen, and like, thumbs up, and share your comment. If you would like to share anything new, you are most welcome to join me as a host. So till then, bye, take care, and have a good one. Bye.